Today, Kenya is 59 years old. 59 years after independence, millions struggle to find food. Millions struggle to find water. Hundreds of thousands cannot find a health facility for their basic treatment, and thousands of children are not in school. 59 years after independence, millions of Kenyans live in shacks and makeshift structures, while 10 million Kenyans struggle to make 100 shillings, maybe 200 shillings on a good day. Others earn jail time or fines because our economic system is rigged against small people. You and I know that something radically different must be done to put ourselves out of this economic malfunction. This is what should scare you, that you are a pay slip away from poverty, that you are a job loss away from losing your home, that you are one in less away from losing all your savings. It's about them, not you. This is what we must change. I am not promising you perfection. I am promising you and your children equal opportunity, a level playing field to dream. Do not give up on yourself. Do not give up on your children. In their eyes, I may be the son of nobody, but I promise to make Kenya the country of everybody.